All right, and this section is really important, and it's full of shortcuts on making sure that you have your answer that has a fraction. It's in simplest form. And so anyways, we're going to look at it. This is really important along with the negative rules, so let's pay attention to it. And there's a couple of things. If you have a common fraction or a proper fraction, which is what we're looking at here, and both the numerator, let's say it's 12, and the denominator, which is 16, are both even, I can keep dividing by 2 over 2, and I get 6/8. Well, I can divide that again, 2 over 2, because it's still even over even, and I get 3/4. And the minute I have the numerator, 1 less than the denominator, it is done, because there are no factors that will go into both. So 1 away from the denominator is done, and I like 1 is done. You can also look at this as, well, I can pull a factor of 4 out of both of these, and so you can divide by 4 over 4, which is essentially 1, and 12 divided by 4 is 3, 16 divided by 4 is 4, and 1 away from the denominator is done. And it is exactly the same answer, thank goodness, that you got in the first one, only you have 1 less step, and it's okay however you look at it, but it's called even over even. And let's say I have something like 5, 6. I do not have to simplify it because 1 is done. The numerator is 1 less than the denominator, so just box that in. If I have, let's say I have 7 over 21, I always check, does 2 go into the numerator, denominator? No, but does 3? Well, it goes into the denominator, but not the numerator, so no. But does the numerator go evenly into the denominator? And the answer is yes, so you're going to divide by the numerator, both top and bottom. Essentially, this is 1. And you're going to go 7 divided by 7 is 1. 21 divided by 7 is 3. And 1 in the numerator is done. 1 is done. Okay, and so I always check the numerators and the denominators when I get the answer to see if I can divide by 2, top and bottom, by 3, top and bottom, or the numerator, top and bottom. And if that works, I'm happy with it. Now, I always have the thing where I could go 8 over 5. And that's an improper fraction, so I'm going to stop, drop, divide. And I get 5 goes into 8 one time, 5, and I get 3/5. I'm not done checking because I need to make sure I have this fraction here in the answer as simplified. So here, we're going to check the 3 and the 5. Does 3 go into 5 and 3/5? No, but not the denominator. Does 2 go into it? Nope. Does 3 go evenly into 5? No. Is it 1 away? No. So your answer is 1 3/5 is simplified, so box that in. And boxing in means you've checked the 5 steps. Anyways, I hope this helps. You can always have the, like the automatic fractions. I call anything like 2 over 2, so that's an automatic 1. Anytime I have like 50 over 100, it's exactly 1/2, so that's an automatic half. So all of those work too. So you can just skip all the other work and just know that that's the case. Anyways, we'll go over this in class. This is absolutely essential that you know this. And the secret word is simplify